Hello, my name is Mrs. Henry, and this video is designed to take us from the green phase into the red phase. As far as the expectations as we move into the red phase, there will be 2.5 hours per day requested of you for this course, Child Care and Development and/or Preschool Lab. My daily procedures and expectations are similar to face-to-face or hybrid flex. Most of our access to the materials will come straight from Schoology. So Schoology is your first stop to see any updates and posted lessons daily. There will be times when the lessons will be posted at the beginning of the week and you will complete it on your own time within that week by the due date, and it's a little bit more flexible than if you were face-to-face. Very similar to in the spring. As I create this video, we are not in the red phase, but I anticipate that my way of taking attendance will look something like this. I will pose a question or a discussion post and ask that you participate, answer the question, and maybe even comment on the discussion post or answers of other students in our class. In order to submit assignments, depending on the nature of the assignment, you could obviously submit it within the Schoology post. You could attach it to a discussion post. You might create a Flipgrid. There's various ways that you can submit your assignments. If at any point it becomes difficult for you to navigate my course and you're having trouble submitting assignments, as long as you reach me before the deadline, my best way to be contacted is through email, henrya@mannheimcentral.org. That goes for parents as well as learners. Okay, so as far as feedback to learners after an assignment, I tend to use the comment feature within Google or within Schoology. There is a possibility that I might use badges as well, and that is also through Schoology. As far as parents, I'm not going to reach out for every assignment and give feedback for your learner on the assignment. The best way to check for feedback is to monitor their grades. And if you have deeper concerns, you can obviously contact me directly. Again, my email. For those of you who are comparing this situation with the red phase to the last time we were in a red phase in the spring of 2020, obviously things have changed. So, in order to communicate some of those changes, I'm going to say that the schedule for the learner is a little bit more fixed and less flexible from within this phase. They are going to need to be in class at a specific time. So I'm going to use Monday as an example. On Monday, the asynchronous assignments will be posted in Schoology. There will be a block 1 between 9 and 10, and between 10:05 and 11:05 is block 2. They will have time for a lunch between 11 and 12, and then on block 3 between 12 and 1. Block 4 is between 1 and 2, and then finally finishing out our day between 2 and 3, there will be asynchronous assignments via Schoology, a time to conference or have small group synchronous sessions as needed.